There's lots going on here.
Well, there certainly is, yeah. It's very important that we investigate this now. This is where the Droitwich Barge Canal joins the River Severn, and there's a suggestion, but there's no substantial evidence for it, that there might be a barge sunk in the entrance here, allegedly put here when the canal was closed in 1939 to block the entrance, but we can't find any firm evidence for this. However, we do need to investigate it, and that's why they're doing this survey work here now. And they're doing two different sorts of things. They've got a thing like a giant metal detector, which is being dragged backwards and forwards across the ground to see if there's anything solid or metal underneath. But they're also doing ground conductivity tests, which is walking along with a boom, taking readings from either near the surface or deeper down to see what they can pick up, and they'll map all this and put this together in a report for us. So we hope this will give us some indication as to whether there's actually something here or not.
Okay.
Coming down, or the first lock if you like, coming out of the river. So you're moving out of a river environment and into the canal, where of course you've got the controlled depth in the... Now there was a big problem with silt coming down, washing down and building up here. So there's a big bank of what is obviously silt there, and we know that, and that's got to be excavated. There's quite a lot of repair work to do on the lock. It hasn't been used for at least 60 years. Realistically, probably more like 80 years. So obviously we need to put new lock gates on and all the new gearing that goes with it. But the lock walls may need some quite substantial repair work. But at this stage we don't know, because there's a lot of dredging out to do and clearing vegetation, cutting trees back. So this is all part of the programme that's going to be happening in the next 2 years.
Good.
Fun. Try again. Yeah, you're right to move it. Well, you've done the trick, haven't you? You want to swap? I'll do it for the line. Yeah? Alright. I'm going to get my lunch as well. Yep. Cool. You beat? Yep. Yeah, I'll do this one and then... Yeah. All right. stop on the line?
Oh shit. Don't get that on. So I can kind of tell you where I started from.
Don't worry.
But that's about as far as I can go. Oh, fall in there.
Alright. Go beep it. Yep.